/CL or your oil futures. And I like something right that I see right now, just while I'm talking to you guys, right? I'm gonna show you something. Let's see. I got a low. I'm looking at an hourly chart. I got a low, high, higher low, and I got a nice wick right here. I might put a trade on, guys. Let's see. I don't mind that. These are really expensive too. Let's go. Now, something that I see, I could do something like I could do a short put spread if I want to get bullish right here, because I do like what I see in the oil futures. I could buy a now this right here. If I click, this is called a call spread. If I do this, and I'm gonna do something. I like what I see. We see I got I don't want to be honest with you. I don't know if I want to go 30 days out. Bear with me, because this I'm getting ready to see if I can get something on right here. All right, so I already hit this level right here. My next level up will probably be 69.56, which I think we will get to. Oh, I don't want to do this. Come out 28 days. If I come here and sell this, got a 42 IV rank, buy this. This is a put spread. If I sell this, all right. So what I'm getting ready to do is sell a put spread. I want to move. Let's move closer. We want to sell it here. Only thing about it is it's such a large product. So I'm gonna go to the micros in the oil futures, which is, let's bear with me. We'll go to futures. Now what I'm trying to do is I want to trade oil, right? But I want to trade a smaller oil product, and it's moving really fast, guys. I'm gonna miss this trade. You don't want to like chase a trade. And I'm trying to find like the mini oil futures right here. So this is a smaller product, but I don't think it has options. It does have options. So what did I say? How much would this cost me to buy this call? Cost me $216. Uh now I'm just trying to see how much it's gonna charge me to get in this trade, how much it is per tick if I was to get long this right now. If I buy this right here, that's gonna margin me $1,256. Do I want to run this right here? Um, where we at? Let me go back and look at the chart. This is crazy work right here. I don't know if I want to do if I want to take that risk. It does have options though. Let's clear this. So with the options, if I was to buy, this would cost me, you don't really make no money on this right here. So the options on if you do it on the micros, you don't really make any money. Let me look at the USO. So now I've identified something that I want to trade. Like I want to trade oil, but I don't want to, the options of me, the way of trading it it's a real expensive product to trade. So I could trade, I could come trade USO. Um, and if I sold this, bought this, and then see if I don't even know if I want to do that. It's just not easy to trade. So what I'm basically going through right now is trying to figure out, I do think that oil will continue to go up, right? The only thing about it is it's expensive. Uh the regular oil contracts, and they move extremely fast. So if you're wrong, like you don't never know exactly, right? And if you're wrong, you're gonna pay the price in oil. Like being wrong in oil will cause you, even though I think that it's gonna go up to this next level right here, right around 69.50. And if you make that trade and then you wrong, let me see how I forgot to see how much it is per tick. So anyway, I'm just gonna throw it on and then I'll watch it. And then if I'll monitor it and we'll see what's going on. See if I get filled. Boom, I'm in the trade. So you guys, I just got long the micro oil futures right around, I think it said at 68.44. So if we come back right here, you'll see this is where I'm in at. And basically, um, I'm gonna hold till it gets to, let's see, 69.50. Or probably when it breaks this high, I'll get out. I don't even know how much that'll be. So basically, now if you come over here, I didn't even get a chance to talk about Tesla, the trade I got going on in Tesla right now. So if I came right here, I would and I want to close this. So basically I said what? I think it's gonna get up here and take this level out. That's 69, what we'll call it. I'm gonna put in a take profit. So while I'm out today, this will be going. What's this? This is about 69.24. So I'm gonna put in a take profit at 69.24. How much would that be? I don't know. Let's see. Put a bracket on. Take profit. What was the? Hold on. Let me go back. Let me take that off. What would if I put my stop loss at 69? What's that? 67. Let's say 67 even, and then 69.25. What's that? 67. Yeah, I may not even. uh, Now I'm just trying to see how much. So yeah, it's this a small trade because I did it in the micros. If I would have did it in a larger product, it would have probably been 10 times this, right? So if 10 times this would have been like a $800 take profit versus I think what my stop would be. And I may hold this longer since it's so cheap. So I'll put my stop loss. Matter of fact, I'll probably put my stop loss. Let me move this out the way and then go back. I'll probably put my stop loss down here. I'll hold it down here and put my stop loss at 66.60 since it's not that much of a 66.60. And I'm actually going to go a little further. I'm probably going to hold, that ain't bad. So you may say I'm risking a little bit more to make less, right? That's what you'll say. So I probably, let's go a little higher because I think once it pops up, once it takes this out or this level out, I look to close it out anyway. So that's pretty good trade. And then I'm going to go ahead and just in case you can get wild moves in oil, it can hit up here today. And that'll be a little nice little $80 trade. And then come down here where it says time in like TIF, time in force, or I think that's what it means, time enforcement or something like that. GTC, good till cancel. So this will, now I'll put this trade on and it's on. And then I'm gonna hit review send and then click send. And then boom, you see it popped up there. And so now I don't have to watch this. It goes up to here, ching, it'll take me out of the trade. I got a stop loss just to protect, to make sure if oil was to go crazy, then I don't be sitting here looking stupid if it go way down here. Now I got more levels up here. I may more than likely I probably should be holding this a little further. To be honest with you, I should be holding it up here. But we'll get in, get out. If it pull back down, I'll make an assessment sometime today while I'm going throughout the day, right? Then we go back, and here we go. You can see the trade. We got a nice little green day going. Got some making a little bit of profit. I did want to talk about. So sometimes, like you see trades and you just hop in them, and then you guys got a chance to see like my thought process. I first seen it in forward slash CL, like I said, which is a larger contract. So if I would have did it in forward slash CL, it would have margined me more in margin me more in my account, and means you got to have a larger account, right? And the risk would have been higher.